Welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will teach you how to easily create viral talking AI avatar for free. Please watch this video to the end so you can understand the step-by-step process to creating your own avatar. Plus, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
The first thing you want to do is to log into your Canva app on your phone. If you don't have the Canva app on your phone, you can go to Play Store and search for Canva. You download the app, and when you download the app, this is how it looks like when you log in. Below the search bar, you can see this is below this search bar. You click on videos here. When you click on video, you select the first video item. And when you select it, so these are all the video templates, but then you don't want to use any of the templates. You want to use this blank template. But let's look at the ratio here. Ratio here is 16.9, which is you can see YouTube video colleges, mobile videos. And for the purpose of this tutorial, because we are creating this video for social media platform, you can select any of the social media platform like TikTok videos, Facebook ad, but then we are going to just select mobile video so that we'll be able to use this particular video across all social media platforms using our mobile device. So when you click on mobile device, you click on apply. So you can see here our template is looking different. It's now looking like a mobile phone device. You click on the blank template. You don't want to use any of these particular templates, so you click on it. So when you click on the blank page, this is what it looks like. This is where it brings you to. You will now click on this plus icon here. You can see the plus icon. You click on this plus icon, then you scroll down below this toolbox. On this toolbox, you click on apps. When you click on app, on the search bar, you want to search for a particular app called Puppetry. You're going to search for Puppetry. This is it, Puppetry. So this is how the app looks like. It's a red app. You can see it here, and you select. When I selected the app, you can see these are all the presenters I've created in the past that I've used. So you want to come here and you click on create presenter. You want to create a particular presenter for your video. So when we click on create presenter, it brought us here. It already gave us a presenter that we can use, but you can actually change this presenter. Like you can change their skin color. Let's change the skin color. The skin color has changed. If you don't want to use what was presented to you, you can also change the hair. Let's say you want a dark hair, not a white hair. You can see it, but if you don't want this, you can still leave it this way. If you want to add lipstick, you can just play around this. If you want the origin to change, here is unspecified. If you want Africa, if you want North America, you can actually select where this presenter is from. You can also change their fashion style. You can see we have the traditional, the trendy, the hip hop, the cowboy, the formal. So you just check which one is okay. What do you want? How do you want your presenter to look like? But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to just leave this presenter as she is. So you can also select choose for me if you want them to choose for you and give you something else, or you can change this particular presenter now to a cartoon, but I'm not going to be doing all that in this video. You can explore this app and make your presenter yourself, and when you are done with everything, selecting how this presenter should look like, you come here and you click on make video. Now before you make this video, now you need a script. Let's say we are going to be making a motivational video for our social media platform like TikTok. So you already have a script, and we have a minimum of 500 words here that you can use. But then if you have if your script is more than 500 words, you can actually create double videos. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let's post our script here. You click here and you paste your script. I already have a script copied from somewhere, and I just posted it here. It says, when things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel. So this is my script that I'm going to be using for this video, and I want this presenter to see what I wrote here. And when you are done, you click on create video. So our video is going to be creating. So you can So you can see this is the video here it's creating. So generating videos can take 5 to 10 minutes. Create another video while waiting or come back. The good thing about this app is that you can create another video while you are waiting for this video to actually come back. You don't have to wait until this video finish creating before you can create another. So we are just going to wait for this video to create. So our video has finished uploading. So what you want to do, you want to click on the particular video. When you click on it, it brings all these tools here. So you scroll down and you check. You want to set this video as the background of this template. So let's set video as background. So we just set this video as background. Now let's play it to see how it now looks like. This is how it looks like.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel. But guess what? You've got more strength than you.
So this is our video and this is how it looks like. So what you want to do here, you want to download this particular video. We are done with creating this video on Canva. So let's download. So you click on download. You select this MP4 video, just leave it as it is and you click on download. And see our video is downloading. So as you can see, we've successfully downloaded this particular video that we created on Canva to our gallery. After downloading this video and the video is saved to our gallery, what you want to do right now is to go to your Capcut. So I just logged into my Capcut account and you want to click on new project. And this is the video that was downloaded. You click on it here and you add. So this is how the video looks like after we imported it to Capcut. So you want to scroll down here. You want to remove this ending part. And again, this video has watermark because the people who owns this particular app want to also advertise their product. So you want to crop it out. Let's see. You want to crop it out and so it's still there. You can still remove it. So this is how it looks like. When you click on this particular video, on this toolbox, you want to increase the volume to see how it looks like.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel.
So you've increased the volume. You also, if you want to also reduce the noise, but there's no noise on this video, then if you want to also, then when you are done with this, you go back and you click on auto caption. You click on text. This is text. You click on text, and when you click on text, you click on auto caption. You can see that this is auto caption and there are different templates, but we want to use this trendy auto caption that is available for us. You can click this the quick brown fox. That's what I'm using for this video, and you click on generate. So we've been able to auto generate it.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing.
It's good. You can take it down. Let's play and see.
Things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel.
You can see there are some places that you can click on bad edits. There are some places that is too long and is not fitting into the screen. So what you want to do in that situation is to, let's see, it's easy to feel like throwing. So we can start it to feel like throwing. You take it down. In the towel, we also take it down so that to fit into, let's see.
Towel. But guess what? You've got more strength than you realize.
You can still take it down. So you're going to watch through the video and try as much as possible to edit all this place that does not fit into the screen. I'm going to quickly do all that. So as you can see, I've been able to fit the text into
when things get tough, it's easy to feel like.
Okay, let me play it so that you still see how it looks like.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel. But guess what? You've got more strength than you realize. Think of challenges like speed bumps, not roadblocks.
So this is how it looks like. So we want to also add music to just give it that soothing sound. So you can come here and click on audio. When you click on audio, you can either select sound And when you select sound, if you have any music in your gallery that you want to use in your device, you can select your device here. If you want to select any of this music on the Capcut app, you can actually use it. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I just want to use this sound effects. There's one sound effect that I've used in the past. You can just click on it and you click on the plus icon. And let's play.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the...
You want to reduce the volume of the sound because you just want it to be background music. So let's reduce it and see. I'm going to leave it at 15.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel. But guess what? You've got more strength than you realize. Think of challenges like speed bumps, not roadblocks. Every time you stumble, you're learning and getting stronger. So, don't give up. Your success story is still unfolding, and each small step counts. Believe in yourself.
So let's, I think this sound we just added is too long. You can just go to the end, split it, and you delete it. This is how the video is going to look like. And what you want to do here is you want to click on this arrow here and you click on download. So we are going to be exporting this particular video to our gallery and we'll play it and see how it's going to look like. So when you're done exporting, you can just click on done here because we are done with this, and you go to your gallery to see this video. Let me go to my gallery so we could play this video and you can upload it to your social media platforms. So this is the video in my gallery. Let's play to listen to it.
When things get tough, it's easy to feel like throwing in the towel. But guess what? You've got more strength than you realize. Think of challenges like speed bumps, not roadblocks. Every time you stumble, you're learning and getting stronger. So, don't give up. Your success story is still unfolding, and each small step counts. Believe in yourself, keep going, and you'll get there. One step at a time.
So this is how to create an AI avatar that can actually talk. I hope this video was helpful. Kindly like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you for watching.